I'm Kristen Guerrera, and I'm a research staff member in the Cost Analysis and Research Division here at IDA.
I'm Prashant Patel. I'm a research staff member in the Cost Analysis and Research Division.
Here at IDA, we do a lot of different types of cost analyses. Often it's evaluating resource allocation issues. And a lot of times those resources are dollars, but it could be other limited resources as well, like time or personnel. So we might analyze some schedule analysis. We might look at personnel requirements or optimal allocation of personnel. So essentially we're looking at how to use scarce resources wisely and perhaps even some opportunity costs that might be associated with each of those different decisions. Another piece of analysis that we generally do are cost estimates.
Generally, when you think about independent cost estimates, the value is how they help inform management or leadership. A program may have a very aggressive schedule and they may use concurrency to address that. And we've seen those in past DoD programs.
We might look at the life cycle cost for a particular program or weapon system or lots of other DoD and non-DoD systems. One recent example of an independent cost estimate that we constructed was for the Financial Management Business Transformation Program.
VA asked IDA to provide an independent cost estimate on financial management system they've been rolling out in response to the GAO and congressional concerns. And so IDA was sort of tasked to provide that independent estimate and give the information back to VA leadership.
Accurate and reliable cost analysis is important for efficient planning and budgeting, particularly in a constrained economic environment. And our sponsors really rely on us to provide them with rigorous and objective analysis that's free from any organizational bias or analytical bias so that they can make good decisions with confidence.